In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly remove the background from your images using the AI background remover in Adobe Express. If you've ever found yourself struggling to crisply isolate the main subject of a photo, you're in the right place. This tool makes it astonishingly simple, even if you're not super tech savvy. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Adobe Express. Once you're there, navigate your way to the Remove Background tool. This magical tool is designed to save you time and effort, doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you when it comes to photo editing. Now, with the tool open and ready, it's time to upload the image you want to work on. Adobe Express supports various file types, including JPEG, PNG, and WebP, and your file size can be up to 40 MB. Just click to upload, and your image will be on its way into the tool. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've uploaded your image, the AI power behind Adobe Express takes over. It automatically detects the background and erases it, leaving you with a beautifully transparent background. You won't need to do any of that painstaking manual editing, as the AI takes all of that hassle out of your hands. In just seconds, your subject will be isolated, ready for any project you're working on. After the AI has performed its magic and your background is removed, you have a couple of options. First, you can go ahead and download your image right away. This is perfect if you're just looking for a quick background removal. But if you want to add an extra layer of creativity, you might choose to continue editing your image within Adobe Express. For instance, you could add a whole new background to give your photo a fresh context, or perhaps tweak other elements to get the exact artistic look you're aiming for. If you're opting to download your image and you're keen to keep that background transparent, there are a few settings you'll need to adjust. Look for the background color settings. There, you'll want to make sure to select No Fill. This ensures that when you export your image, the background stays beautifully transparent. Then, to wrap everything up neatly, select Transparent PNG as your file format. This format preserves transparency and is perfect for overlaying your image onto various backgrounds or settings in the future. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to remove backgrounds using the power of Adobe Express. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your image into something versatile and ready to enhance any project you have in mind. Whether for business or pleasure, this tool is a fantastic asset in your creative toolkit. Don't forget to explore more of what Adobe Express has to offer, as it just might open the door to even more creative possibilities. Happy editing!